zucchini.
2 pork and cheese, 2 beef and cheese.
Chicharrón y una de frijol.
Carter, order out for Carter. Hi, here you go. Oh, here's your order. Here's your order. Is this all? What is it? What is it?
It's a sample meal that a Syrian refugee would have in a camp in Jordan.
Wow, goodness, that's not a lot.
Do you think that's enough for a meal?
No, absolutely not. I sure wouldn't be happy about that. Hungry.
The average refugee is living in a camp for 17 years, and the only food they have to eat are rations that are provided to them.
For refugee, we have hard time in our country. Everything, we lost everything.
Less than 1% of refugees are able to actually be resettled here in the United States.
It's heartbreaking to know that people are living like that, especially when you show the ration that you're given versus what you actually ordered and see the difference, and it's just for one meal.
So the Ration Challenge is a way for people to say, I care, I stand with refugees, and to raise awareness and funds to help make a difference.